Have you ever wondered how artificial intelligence, or AI, can recognize your voice and answer your questions? It seems almost magical, doesn't it? But it's not. It's a product of human ingenuity and technological advancement. Artificial intelligence, a term that sounds like it's straight out of a science fiction novel, is actually a part of our everyday lives. It's in the voice assistants that wake us up in the morning, the navigation systems that guide us to our destinations, and even in the social media algorithms that curate our feeds based on our likes and dislikes. AI is everywhere, silently working in the background, making our lives easier without us even realizing it. It's like an invisible companion, always learning, always adapting, and constantly improving to serve us better. But how does it all work? How does this invisible companion know us so well? Well, AI technology is not magic, but a product of human ingenuity. AI might seem intimidating, but at its core, it's all about imitating human intelligence. Just think of a child learning to identify animals. They start with no knowledge, but as they see more dogs, cats, or birds, they begin to understand what each animal looks like. This is similar to how AI works, particularly through a process called machine learning. Machine learning is a way for AI to absorb and understand information, much like a sponge soaking up water. The AI is fed data. It could be images, sounds, or text, and it learns patterns within this data. Imagine you're learning to play a new board game. The first few times you might not quite get it, but as you play more, you start to grasp the strategies and rules. That's machine learning in a nutshell. But how about decision-making? We humans can make complex decisions because of our brain's intricate neural network. AI mimics this with something aptly named artificial neural networks. Picture a maze of interconnected points, much like a city's road network. Each intersection represents a decision point. Based on the data it has learned, the AI chooses a path through this network, reaching a decision at the end. Artificial neural networks can be as simple or as complex as needed. A simple network might be used to identify whether a photo contains a cat or a dog. A more complex network could help a self-driving car navigate a busy city street. So you see, AI isn't some mystical, unfathomable technology. It's a system created by humans to learn like humans, albeit in a more structured and faster way. It's about creating machines that can understand, learn, and make decisions based on the input they receive. And just as we continue to learn and grow throughout our lives, AI systems are continually learning and evolving. They're not static, but dynamic, capable of adapting to new information and tasks. Just as we learn from our experiences, AI learns from data. Data is to AI what food is to humans. It's a simple comparison, but it elucidates a profound truth about artificial intelligence. Just as our bodies need nourishment to function, AI thrives on a steady diet of data. This is not just any data, but relevant, diverse, and abundant data. It's the fuel that powers the engines of AI, enabling it to learn, grow, and evolve. Imagine a toddler learning to recognize a cat. They don't just look at one cat and understand what a cat is. They see various cats in different colors, sizes, and shapes. Over time, their brain processes this information and forms a comprehensive understanding of what a cat is. This is exactly how AI learns, but on a much larger scale. AI systems learn through a process called machine learning. They're fed vast amounts of data, which they analyze and use to form patterns. These patterns then enable the AI to make predictions and decisions. For instance, a weather forecasting AI might analyze decades of weather data to predict whether it will rain tomorrow. The more data the AI has, the more accurate its predictions can be. But it's not just about quantity. The quality and diversity of data are equally important. An AI trained on a limited or biased dataset can produce skewed or inaccurate results. That's why it's crucial to feed AI a balanced diet of data representing a wide range of scenarios and perspectives. AI's ability to process and learn from massive amounts of data is what sets it apart from traditional computing. It's like a supercharged brain, capable of sifting through millions of data points in seconds to find the relevant information. This power is what allows AI to perform complex tasks from diagnosing diseases to powering self-driving cars. So the next time you ask Siri a question, remember that your answer is the result of analyzing millions of data points. It's a testament to the incredible power of data in AI, a power that is revolutionizing our world in countless ways. But as with any powerful technology, AI comes with its own set of ethical concerns. Let's start by acknowledging that AI, in its essence, is a tool, a reflection of its creators and users. It's not inherently good or bad, but the ways in which it's used can have profound implications. One of the chief concerns is data privacy. With AI systems often needing vast amounts of data to function effectively, there's a risk that sensitive information could be mishandled or misused. Think about it. Your personal data, possibly including your health, financial, and even emotional information, all in the hands of algorithms. It's a sobering thought, isn't it? The risk of potential breaches or misuse of this data places a huge responsibility on those who control AI systems to ensure they're secure and respectful of privacy. Another ethical challenge lies in bias. Yes, you heard it right. Machines can be biased too. But how exactly does that happen? Well, AI systems learn from the data they're trained on. And if that data reflects societal biases, the AI could unintentionally perpetuate or even amplify these biases. For example, if an AI system is trained on employment data that reflects gender bias, it might unfairly disadvantage women when screening job applicants. Unchecked AI can lead to unfair outcomes. It can reinforce existing inequalities and create new ones. It can make decisions without transparency, without accountability, but it doesn't have to be this way. With proper checks and balances, with rigorous ethical guidelines, we can harness the power of AI without compromising on fairness, privacy, and equality. We need to understand that AI is only as good or as bad as the data it learns from. To have an unbiased AI, we need unbiased data. To have a fair AI, we need fair practices in data collection and usage. It's important to remember that AI is only as unbiased as the data it's trained on. And with that, we are reminded of the weighty responsibility we bear as we step further into the age of artificial intelligence. So, where does AI go from here? Well, the possibilities are as vast as our imaginations. As we speak, researchers around the globe are pushing the boundaries of what artificial intelligence can do. It's not just about creating smarter devices or more efficient processes. It's about fundamentally changing how we live, work, and interact with the world. Imagine a future where AI systems diagnose diseases with greater speed and accuracy than human doctors, dramatically improving healthcare outcomes. Picture a world where AI-driven automation makes every industry more efficient, freeing up human beings to focus on creative, fulfilling tasks that machines can't replicate. But it's not all roses and sunshine. With great power comes great responsibility. As AI continues to evolve, we need to ensure that it's being used responsibly. There's a very real risk that AI could be misused, leading to job loss, privacy breaches, and even potential threats to our security. That's why it's crucial to establish robust regulations that safeguard against such misuse. Policymakers, technologists, and citizens alike must engage in open, transparent discussions about how to harness the power of AI while mitigating its risks. It's about striking the right balance between innovation and caution. Furthermore, as AI becomes more ingrained in our lives, we also need to focus on inclusivity. AI should be a tool that benefits everyone, not just a privileged few. This means ensuring access to AI technology across socio-economic boundaries and making sure that AI systems are designed and trained in a way that's free from bias. But let's not lose sight of the bigger picture. AI represents a bold new frontier in human innovation, a tool with the potential to solve some of our greatest challenges. From climate change to poverty, the solutions to many of the world's most pressing problems could lie in the power of artificial intelligence. As we stand on the brink of the AI revolution, it's up to us to steer it in a direction that benefits all of humanity. We've covered a lot of ground today, from understanding what AI is to discussing its ethical implications. We've delved into the brain behind AI, appreciating the intricate algorithms that mimic human intelligence. We've also acknowledged the power of data in AI, recognizing how every click, every search, and every interaction contributes to the vast ocean of information that fuels this technology. We've not shied away from the ethical implications of AI, contemplating the profound questions it raises about privacy, fairness, and accountability. And finally, we've gazed into the future of AI, a future shaped by our actions, our choices, and our responsibility. AI is a tool, a creation of human ingenuity. It's a mirror reflecting our values and aspirations, our biases and flaws. It's an extension of us, and like any tool, it's up to us to use it responsibly. Remember, AI is not the future, it's the present, and understanding it is the first step towards using it responsibly.